And hello, my name is Clancy Rose from Cafe Medici with Expert Village, and what we're going to be talking about today is espresso preparation. So espresso, one of the most common misconceptions about espresso is that it's a coffee roasted more dark than any other regular coffee, and the truth is you can use whatever coffee you want to. What makes espresso what it is the steps in the preparation. So it is a super saturated solution. In a cup of espresso, unlike a cup of normal coffee, the ratios of coffee to hot water are much higher. Basically, what you're going to need to prepare a shot of espresso is your coffee, like I said, whatever coffee you want, and either a coffee ground finely, specifically for espresso, or a espresso grinder, like this one right here. Of course, the espresso machine that is going to come with your portafilter. This is your steam wand. And a lot of the time, I like to use a timer to time out the espresso shots. Usually you'll find a particular time that the espresso is going to taste best, and you want to try to keep it at that. Then you're going to want to have your tamper on hand and demi-toss 2 or 3 ounce cups to catch your shots in.